Alright guys, so today we're going to do the CRV transmission fluid. It says it takes 3 1/4, so we got 4. Breaker bar, a ratchet, crush washer, 2 of them. Not sure why there's 2 of them. And a funnel to get down in there. Gotta get that down there. Alright guys, so you want to make sure that this funnel is long enough to fit into that hole. Alright guys, so this is super hard to film, but that's the drain plug right there. And it's on the front driver's side. Okay, my head's too squished in here so you won't see me do it. But we're gonna crack that one loose. I did have to put it up on the jacks to crack this. It was just way too tight. And I used the bigger brake bar right there. But it's now cracked. Try it. Right there. Okay. I got it down flat again. And just because I didn't want to make a mess on all the driveway there. So we're going to do it flat. Alright, here we go. This is transmission draining. Oh, this way. Try to film and do it with one finger. There you have it, guys. CRV 2002 to 2006 transmission oil change. Alright, I'm gonna let that drain out. I don't want to get a jackknife in my neck, so let me get out of here. It's the real deal, guys. Mr. SFM Collective, and we're really doing a transmission fluid change with no hoist, as you can see. So I'll leave it for another couple minutes. So there it is. Just letting the last bit drip off. I'm telling you guys right now, this smells horrendous and it's dirty as hell. And I gotta find the plug in there somewhere. Alright, so there you go, we got the drain plug out. I'll take that off. Dirty as hell though. Damn, some people never change this stuff. So there we go. Nice and clean, fresh crush washer. It's on the wrong way, but I'll flip it around. And we'll go ahead and put that back in. Alright, so you guys can see fresh crush washer and plug put back in. And we're gonna crank it harder after I fill it. I got not enough room here though. But as of now, it's done. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put 3.25 of this into the fill plug here. I'll wipe that in a minute. So what you want to do, take your funnel, get it right in there, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 of these in, and when I get to the last one I'll film it. So we're down to the last one. Probably go in now 3 1/4 or 3 1/4, so 1/4 of this. We'll do maybe a touch more. That should be enough. Okay, so it's all clean. The cross checks are clean. You guys can see we're just gonna go ahead and check it real quick. Get that down in there. And we're right at the top of the cross checks. So that's done. You might not be able to see it in this video. Alright guys, so it's Mr. SFM here. We've just put all the fluid in. So now we're just going to start it up, run through all the gears, take it for a test drive, come back and check the oil. Okay? So start up for about a minute or two. Just let that sit for a minute or two. Okay, so it's been running for about 2 minutes. So now what we're going to do, foot on the brake, and we're going to start running from here all the way through to here and back up to here. And once we're done that, we're going to go for a drive, come back, turn it off, and then check the fluid one last time after it's all heated up. Okay, so foot on the brake. Reverse, hold it there. Okay, neutral, hold it there. Drive, hold it there. Second, hold it there. First, hold it there. Then we're going to go back up through them. Okay, so now we're going to take it for a drive, check it one more time, and then you guys will have changed your transmission fluid on your CRV. Okay, so now we're just driving it, running through at least a couple of the gears, you know what I mean? We just took it for a drive, and we're just going to go ahead and check. Alright guys, so I just pulled it out. Camera's too shitty to pick it up, but you guys can see it's sitting right at the top of the cross hatches there. Okay, to end off the video, I'm gonna go underneath and really pry down that crush washer one last time to make sure. But with that being said, it's Mr. SFM Collective. That's how you change 2002 to 2006 Honda CRV transmission fluid. Peace and love. Okay, and one last thing just to make everyone happy. My mouth. That's spraying it with the brake cleaner. Alright guys, this is your final result. 3 1/4.